Hi, I'm Lisa Niven Kelly for beacheducation.com.
And I am Aisha Formansky with Everthine Jewelry.
And we have come together in this Introduction to Soldering series to teach you all kinds of soldering stuff. And in this particular episode, we're going to make a really simple bail.
This is our shortest episode in our series. It's a really fun, quick project that's really going to elevate your piece to the next level.
Yeah, it makes it look so much better than just popping a hole and putting a jump ring in there.
We're also going to introduce you to props, using little props to assist in the soldering of little components and things.
Yes, it's fun. Enjoy. Here's how the layout's going to look to add this jump ring to the back to be a bail. So I've got the jump ring right here, and it's partially resting on the sterling silver circle. This black dot here is just to mark the middle. It's stamped with a lotus on the back, so by putting a dot there we knew exactly where to lay this jump ring so that it was centered. And then here's a T-bar that is just used as a prop to hold it up, because otherwise the jump ring would be tilted down and it wouldn't be flush up against the sterling blank. So now I'm going to actually take the jump ring off so that I could flux underneath it. And just a little spritz, a little heat. There we go. I'm just going to place this right back in the same spot, making sure that my seam is right there in the middle so that when I solder it, it will solder the seam shut and it will solder this jump ring to the circle. So I'm going to place my pallium kind of right here, kind of leaning right on there, and perfect. It's got to be touching the jump ring so it can solder that to the circle. And we also want it touching the seam so it'll kind of get sucked up in the seam. Heating, heating, heating. I'm not putting any heat on the jump ring. I'm putting all the heat on the blank because the jump ring will just be happily warm enough to take all this without getting it. The big blank will transfer to the jump ring in there. You see how it flowed, a nice bright silver flash. It's got the jump ring flush to the blank, and it also jumped up the seam. I'm going to pick it up and quench it, and then we're going to go and see how it comes right off the T-bar, and then we're going to go and pickle it, and we will be right back. I pickled the piece, took it out, and patinaed it, and I put 2 jump rings on the top just because I really like that look. But look, here's our little bail that we just made. Doesn't that look sweet? So I've also hung it from one of my other favorite chains besides popcorn chain is a ball chain, and it doesn't come oxidized like this. I just want to point out I've dipped it in and out of the Jack's silver blackener and then polished it up. I just really like the way that it looks. So now you know how to do a simple bail. You could get nuts from here. You could make the bail bigger, smaller, obviously. You could texture the jump ring before soldering it on. You can try to flatten it a little bit, maybe either add texture with your chasing hammer or some stamps. There's all kinds of fun options.